Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to recover your PlayStation 4 account if it's been hacked and your email has been changed. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So you try logging on to your PlayStation 4 and you notice you have to sign in. And the email and the password has been changed for your account. And maybe you got a text message saying two-step verification is now deactivated on your PlayStation account. And you got an email saying your sign-in ID has been changed, as well as two-step verification being deactivated. What do you do now? Go on over to a web browser and type in PlayStation.com and press enter. Then go to the PlayStation website, go to support right here and select this down arrow. Then go to support, and in the bottom right side of the screen should be an option for an online assistant. Let's click this and open up this chat window. Now type in a name and a last name. Let's type in Timothy and then slice in for my last name. Then go to start chatting and you'll be brought to a page where you're going to be talking to an online assistant bot. And go ahead and just select account recovery when it asks you. So what can I help you with today? Account recovery. Let's select that. And you're going to have to provide them your PlayStation Network ID, also your email address at some point, and your first and last name. Now it says, are you able to access the inbox for your sign-in ID? Let's go to yes, your email address. So I still have access to that. Can you provide us your sign-in ID? Okay, let's go ahead and do that. So I recently had to do this with my account because it was hacked. And here is the chat log for that conversation. Now, I provided them my online ID, and the estimated wait time was approximately 20 to 30 minutes, and they asked me if I would like to wait. I said yes, and then after about 30 minutes, I left my web browser up, and someone messaged me, "Hello, thanks for contacting PlayStation Support. To better assist you, please share the following information with me. Your name, first and last, your phone number, and contact email. And make sure you can access your email." So provide them that information and then tell them a little bit of what happened with your account. My account was hacked, etc., and my email was changed, and two-step verification was deactivated. Then they may have you verify the first and last four digits of the credit card/debit card that was used to transact with on your account. So that's just a way to verify your identity. So after I did that, they were able to reset my email address back to the original email address and deactivate two-step verification. And I was able to type in a new password, etc. And make sure you do this within 24 hours and check your spam folder. Once you have access to your account again, go back over to your PlayStation. And then what you want to go ahead and do is sign in. Now, go up to the top and go to settings and select this. Go to account management and go to account information. And go to security. Set up security features for your account. And turn on two-step verification and verify your phone number. And then check your wallet and your payment methods. Make sure those are correct. And your transaction history to make sure nothing was bought on your account. And your profile and address information. Make sure your name wasn't changed and the address wasn't changed. And go to your subscriptions. Make sure your subscriptions are not deactivated or prolonged unnecessarily. And you'll want to back out of the screen and go to account management. Activate as your primary PS4. Make sure this is currently activated. May have been deactivated through the process. And restore the licenses on your PlayStation. And then you may want to go to settings, login settings right here, and create a passcode prior to logging into your PlayStation. And you can check your remote play connections and just see if anyone connected to your PlayStation 4 recently. So hopefully this video did indeed help you get your account back. If it did, go and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.